Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Please, do not eat this anymore. If you are one of those people who accompany your meals with a delicious banana, then you are on the right path to enjoy good health for a long time, and the more mature the better, because the degree of ripeness of the banana increases its levels of nutrients and other beneficial for the organism. Ripe bananas contain a substance called tumor necrosis factor, which has the ability to fight abnormal cells that are detected in the body. Sure, the bananas should not be so ripe that they turn brown, but it is preferable that you choose those that only have black spots. These are the ones that contain the greatest benefits. Next we show you the function of the tumor necrosis factor in the body, and you will be surprised because you cannot imagine what a banana with black spots does to your body. The substance tumor necrosis factor, or TNF, is a substance that can fight the cells detected as abnormal in the body, but this substance is not found in a greater quantity in specific bananas like the one shown in the photo above. Generally they are the ones that we do not want since we think they could be in poor condition, but they are only fully ripened and show spots throughout the fruit. Japanese scientists conducted an experiment where they demonstrated the incredible benefits that health brings to mature bananas. Unlike other fruits that are more everyday consumption such as apples, grapes and pineapples, the banana increased the number of white blood cells and improved the immunity of the body. The conclusion of the investigations was to eat 1 or 2 ripe bananas a day. The antioxidant levels of the banana increase while the degree of maturity of the same increases, as well as increase their levels of starch and sugars, which make their digestive process faster. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.